Today we'll be looking at how to express numbers to standard form, expressing them to the powers of 10. In this form, a times 10 raised to power n, where a is a number between 1 and 10 and n is a whole number. So expressing this number in standard form, we are going to have 5 times 10 raised to power. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 raised to power 4. And this one also, expressing it to standard form, we are going to have 7.4 times 10 raised to power. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to power 5. Now, expressing this particular number, this is called a decimal fraction. Expressing it to number in a standard form, we are going to have 8 times 10 raised to power. Now let's count the zeros that we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to power minus 5. Minus 5. For numbers in decimal fraction, we are going to have negative powers, all right? So this one also, we are going to have 7.4 times 10 raised to power. Let's count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which should give us minus 4. Minus 4. Now, I want you to do this particular one. Do it and comment your answer. I want you to do number 5. Let's say 6,600. And also 0.00076. Do it and comment your answer, and I'm going to check if you get it right or wrong.